Today I thought I would show you how to make split rings. I'm actually making split rings, lots of little split rings to make these daisy petal sunflower petals for my sunflower for our donation for helping Ukraine. So to make a split ring, this is my Shuttle 1. And I'm going to make a regular ring with my Shuttle 1, and then go ahead and just do 1, 2, and 3 stitches. And now I'm going to put Shuttle 1 down, pick up Shuttle 2, and this time I will not flip my stitches, and I have to go backwards. So usually you would go through and do the first half. But instead, what we need to do is make a second half, just like this, and don't flip your stitches, but just snug it down. And then make a first half, and again, don't flip your stitches, just snug it down. And repeat, second half, first half, unflipped. And then do it one more time because I'm doing equal stitches, so 3 stitches on each side, just like this. And then to close your split ring, you take your last stitch on each side and hold it together between your finger and your thumb and pull. And there we go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 split rings. Now, split rings for me, because I tend to do these stitches tighter, do want to curve. But what I did was I have brought a chain down the side, and I'm using a lock join at the top and at each juncture of my chain in this little space right here between my split rings to help straighten my chain out to make my petals. So anyway, and then this is also a chain. Actually, this is a chained center where I start with a self-closing mock ring style chain at the center, and then I throw tiny picots off and about every second or third stitch, and then I continue to join. You can see all of the joins on the back side here. There's all the joins on the back side. Just all these joins. To make this sort of mat for my center. And I really like making these. I like these as bases for earrings because then I can embroider on them. You could, of course, add beads to this as well, but I chose to just keep it the way it was because this is a concept. So anyway, let me show you that split ring. Oh, I'm outside. You can hear my chickens. Let me show you that split ring one more time. So you make a regular ring, just like this. And 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3 with your first shuttle. Then you put your first shuttle aside, you pick up your second shuttle. And remember, this time we are going to not flip our stitches and go backwards. So we do the second half, front half, or first half, second half, first half, second half, and first half. There we go. This is actually my last split ring for my series. So close my split ring. So there we go, 7 split rings. And now I'm going to use this shuttle like it is my chain. So what I will do is wind it up like it's my chain. And then to make a lock join is really simple. Instead of making your first stitch like you usually would here and flipping it, I actually just oftentimes use the second half of a stitch and just snug it down, just like that. That's going to lock your chain in place because you've made an element that doesn't slide, because all of your sliding stitches will be here on your core. So now I can make my 5 stitches, and the first chain is 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like this. Now I'm going to turn my work, and this time I'm going to grab my tiny crochet hook, go in between the spaces for my split ring, and grab that working thread and bring it through. Return my hook to its magnet, and then just use a regular up join for the first half, and now a lock join. Remember, don't flip this now. Lock join for the second half. And then I will continue to bring this chain down the side, but I do 4 stitches and then a lock join for each one of these rings down the side. So there we go. That's how I am making the little sunflower petals.